Okay, folks, today we're going to talk about custom indicators. As I said before, I do not use them. Please don't send me questions with them. And today I'm going to show you how to put custom indicators in here. Let's enlarge a chart over here. Let me go into my folder here. Okay, when you buy this product and you leave me a 5-star feedback on eBay, I'll send you 1200 plus expert advisors and about 2000 plus indicators. Okay, that is after you leave me a feedback and send me an email saying, hey, we left you a 5-star feedback. I will email these to you. So I'm going to go into custom indicators, expert advisors, sorry. Now remember one thing about expert advisors, that they all end in EX4, same as your custom indicators. So you will have to know which are EAs and which are not EAs. So when you download them, don't mix them up because they have nothing to do with each other. I'm going to take this one here. Yeah, this one here. Copy. Okay. Go back into my MetaTrader here. MT4. Same thing again. File. Open data folder. MQL4. Experts. Then I'm going to paste it in here. So that is done. I'm going to close this. Let me see if it did. Let me compile this. Let me compile this. Compile. Instead of restarting MT4, I just did compile. That's another way to do it. So you guys know how to do it. Close this. Close this. And this is your custom indicators right here. Nah, I'm sorry. I am sorry. Wrong button. Auto trading. How about this? We just go into right here. Examples. Close this. These are your custom indicators, right? Close this. We're going to scroll to the bottom. Expert advisors right here. Right click on that. This is the one we just installed. Click it and drag it over here and you go OK. And for some reason it's not working. You guys should get a smiley face. You should get a smiley face over here. So this one is not working for some reason and I have no idea why. And trust me, I'm not going to go into it. Let me touch another one, see if I can get this one working. Short 30-minute, yes. Okay, there you go. This one is working. See a smiley face? So this one is working. Then you have to go and find the documentations on these and see how they're done and what you're supposed to set them up as. But as I said before, I don't trade them and I'm not interested in trading custom expert advisors. So please don't ask me. I will not help you. I know I used to use them before, but now I don't. I run as far as I can. And the other thing that I notice, as soon as I start putting EAs, my system slows down, trading system slows down, and I do not like that. So I'm very picky when it comes to my trading systems. So hopefully this answered your question of installing EAs. Again, when the EA is working, you get a smiley face, and when it's not working, you'll get a sad face on the corner. So be aware of that. So I'll see you in the next video now. Thank you.